Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a long requested video, meaning a long time ago, requested video by my coworker who wants to do a highlight and contour video. Yeah, unfortunately, I do not have contour sticks, contour palette. So what I want to do for my contour, which it literally has hit pan, is my Hoola bronzer. Bronzer and contour, it's the same thing. Contour is just more deeper and more sharp, precise. Bronzer is like la 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 la, just gonna brush it on. But they both go in the same exact places. This kind of angled shape brush, just because it's so nice and easy to swoop right. Look, he's just watching me. Come here. Say hi to camera. You gotta say hi to camera because he's so nosy. Say hi to camera, baby. Say hi. Oh, now you don't want to be nosy? The middle of the ear, I like to brush up. Never down, because if you go too far down, then that's it. Ear just ain't gonna look cute. So I just go in a circular motion and go up. So you can see the nice sharp line is already starting to form. Brush down to where you want it to stop, but always go up. Imaginary 3. So basically you go boom, swirl, and that's a 3 right there. So I start here and then I connect to where we ended, which is the middle of the ear. And then I complete the 3 by going on top of the forehead and right down. So now everything's nice and bronze. You have that natural beach cute look, and boom, boom. And for double chin, you just gotta go right under there and basically create a nice natural shadow. So it doesn't look like you got no double chin. Just wash away that chin. Wash away that chinny chin, 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 chin. So just go little by little. I like to just dab it in twice, click it, and then you can keep adding. Let's say if you think it's too harsh, you're like, oh my god, that's just it's just too much bronzer on my face, or it just look like I'm dirty. Even squish the actual bristles and just rub it harder. That way you're basically blending it and it's not gonna be as harsh. Take a nice fluffy brush, dip it into the bronzer, make sure you got product on there. And for me, I love my nose. I got a nice small nose, but for people that want to contour their nose, just go right below it, and then you're just gonna draw a nice steep line. Draw a line. You're drawing a shadow, so when you look forward, it looks like a shadow here. If you're like, your tip of the nose is too large, just draw right below it, and boom. Man, I love all these colors. Sometimes I mix them, but I haven't done the gold one yet. Let's be different and try the gold. Just dip your brush in there. I like to, oh, that was way too much. Oh my god, oh my god, what did I do? Look how much I put out there. Oh my god. Listen, we're gonna be highlighting today. Right on top. So from here to here, highlight on both sides. We're gonna go right down into the tip of the nose of highlight. A little bit right on the lip. You can even go as far as putting some on the chin, on the collarbone. Just gonna tap it, just because I took so much. Put highlight in different areas. Now I'm gonna take the other end and blend it. Tip number 1, use a whole lot less of the gold. I literally filled up this whole entire thing with highlight. That was stupid. I forgot how strong over highlights were, so I'm like tap, 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 tap. No, you only need like 2 taps and then go for it. Take a brush. I recommend Beauty Blender. Come on, powder. Carve out that line so that way you have a nice smooth transition between the bronzer. I don't know about using white powders, because since I'm tan, be making me like have a flash look, or it makes me too white and powdery. I'm like, Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, like and comment, tell your friends to subscribe, share this video with others, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell. tell others to come through. I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys are awesome. Leave down any requests below. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.